What if your business had a 24/7 sales and marketing team without the overhead? Here's why that matters. 78% of leads go with the first responder. The odds of qualifying a lead drop by 80% after 5 minutes. Only 27% of leads are contacted by a sales rep. 63% of companies take longer than an hour to respond to new inquiries, and 50% of sales go to the vendor that responds first. Businesses that use AI for lead response see a 67% increase in conversion rates. AI powered chat increases sales by 30%, and companies using AI also reduce customer support costs by 30%. And automated follow ups can boost lead engagement by 50% or more. And that's why I built an AI automation agency called LeadLoops.pro. LeadLoops texts new leads instantly, follows up after hours, reconnects old contacts, handles Google reviews, recovers abandoned carts, and even a voice bot that answers calls. Basically, it's a tiny army that never sleeps. You can learn more at leadloops.pro. The other thing I want to tell you about is I'm now offering a free marketing report at getafreemarketingreport.com. All you have to do is give me your business information, and I check your online presence and send a detailed report in a day or two showing what's working and what to improve. Again, that's at getafreemarketingreport.com. Welcome to the Frugalpreneur podcast. I am your host, Sarah St. John. This episode is what I refer to as a showcase episode where I feature a bootstrapped entrepreneur and they briefly share their tips, tricks, tactics, techniques, and tools that help them bootstrap their business and the successes and failures along the way. My hope is that each of these showcase episodes will provide at least one valuable takeaway that you could implement right away in your own bootstrap business journey. Now on to the episode.
Hi, I'm Kushner. I'm a best-selling author and a LinkedIn growth strategist, and I've dedicated my career to helping professionals and businesses unlock the true power of LinkedIn. My passion for connecting people and creating opportunities began years ago when I noticed how many professionals struggled to make meaningful connections that translated into real results. This led me to explore how we could do things differently. I dove deep into the potential of artificial intelligence to enhance professional networking, and it became clear to me that AI wasn't just a tool, it was a game changer. That realization inspired my book, The AI LinkedIn Advantage, a guide to transforming LinkedIn into a platform that truly works for you. Starting my business was driven by a simple yet powerful mission to empower others to stand out, build genuine relationships, and achieve measurable results. I wanted to simplify LinkedIn for professionals, letting cutting edge AI tech strategies for practical, actionable insights that anyone could use to grow and thrive. Today, I have the privilege of helping countless individuals and businesses optimize their LinkedIn presence, grow dynamic networks, and seize opportunities they never thought possible. I truly believe that with the right tools and strategies, everyone can become a master of digital networking, and I'm excited to help make that happen. When I started my business, I didn't have a big budget or a team of experts. I had a vision, determination, and a deep belief in the power of LinkedIn. Bootstrapping meant being resourceful, strategic, and willing to roll up my sleeves and learn everything I could about what worked. The first thing I focused on was building my personal brand. I optimized my LinkedIn profile to showcase not just what I did, but how I could help others. I shared valuable content, connected with people authentically, and positioned myself as a trusted thought leader in networking and AI-driven strategies. I learned into the power of AI. Instead of expensive tools, I use free or low-cost AI resources to save time and scale my efforts. From analyzing data to crafting content, AI helped me streamline my approach and deliver consistent results. I also made it a point to prioritize relationships over transactions. I reached out to others with real curiosity and offered support wherever I could. This mindset of collaboration helped build trust and open doors to opportunities I couldn't have imagined. By focusing on these key steps, I grew my business piece by piece, turning connections into clients and ideas into actionable strategies. Bootstrapping wasn't always easy, but the lessons I learned were invaluable, and they continue to fuel my passion for empowering others to do the same.
Sweet Dash is the ultimate all in one business software platform designed to simplify your operations and supercharge your growth. Say goodbye to tech tool overload and hello to a single unified system that handles CRM, proposals, scheduling, contracts, invoicing, subscriptions, project management, client portals, file sharing, and marketing, all in one place. With Sweet Dash, you'll enjoy one login to streamline your business, saving you time and sanity. No code automations that put your business on autopilot by slashing manual tasks. The real kicker? Unlimited users and clients. This means you can invite your team, clients, and contractors without worrying about extra fees. But Sweet Dash isn't just about software, it's about community. Their roadmap thrives on user feedback and live support sessions. Ensure you're never alone on your journey to success. Trusted by tens of thousands of small businesses with over 1,000 glowing 5-star reviews on Capterra and G2, Sweet Dash is a platform you've been waiting for. You can try it free, no credit card required, at sweetdash.com. That's SUITEDASH.com. Sweet Dash. One login, one platform, one low price, unlimited potential.
When it comes to bootstrapping my business, my biggest success has been turning LinkedIn into a foundation for meaningful connections and measurable results. Early on, I focused on leveraging AI tools to streamline my networking efforts. By strategically sharing valuable insights and connecting with people authentically, I was able to establish myself as a thought leader. A great moment of validation came when my book, The AI LinkedIn Advantage, became a bestseller. That was the culmination of countless hours spending refining strategies and helping others see LinkedIn not just as a platform, but a powerful tool for transformation. But success doesn't come without challenges. One of my biggest failures was early in my journey when I focused too much on scaling too quickly without a solid foundation. I invested in tools and partnerships that didn't align with my vision, which stretched my limited resources thin. It was a hard lesson in understanding that growth needs to be intentional and aligned with your core values. That failure taught me to slow down, revisit my priorities, and focus on what truly matters: authenticity, relationships, and providing value. Those lessons became the roadmap to where I am now, and I wouldn't trade them for anything. Because at the end of the day, failure isn't the opposite of success. It's part of the process that helps us get there. When it comes to bootstrapping a business, there are key steps and strategies that make all the difference. Here are my top tips. Number one, optimize your LinkedIn profile. This is your digital first impression. Make sure your profile communicates not just what you do, but how you can help others. Add a clear headline, a compelling summary, and showcase your achievements. This sets the stage for meaningful connections. Number two, leverage AI tools. AI can save you time, especially when you're wearing multiple hats. Tools like AI powered content generators help you craft LinkedIn posts, emails, and even outreach messages. You don't need expensive tools. Free or low cost options can work wonders. Number three, provide value consistently. Focus on creating and sharing content that offers clear, actionable advice. When people see you as a source of insight, they'll be more likely to engage and trust you. Consistency builds credibility over time. Number four, build relationships, not just connections. Don't treat networking as a numbers game. Reach out with genuine curiosity. Comment thoughtfully on others' content and be generous with your expertise. This leads to collaborations and opportunities that money can't buy. Number five, test small, scale big. Before rolling out any big initiative, test your idea on a smaller scale. Whether it's a new service, strategy, or content approach, small scale trials allow you to tweak and refine without overinvesting. Number six, control costs creatively. When funds are tight, creativity is your currency. Bartering services, using free resources, or automating repetitive tasks can help you stretch every dollar while still moving forward. These tips have been instrumental in my own bootstrapping journey, and the results speak for themselves. Keep building, keep growing, and never underestimate the power of resourcefulness paired with passion. Thank you so much for taking the time to join me today. I hope you're walking away with new ideas and strategies to help you take your LinkedIn game to the next level. Remember, success on LinkedIn isn't about collecting connections, it's about building relationships and delivering real value. If there's one thing I want to leave you with, it's this: you have everything you need to stand out and make meaningful connections. With the right mindset, consistency, and tools like AI, the opportunities are limitless. As a token of appreciation, I'd love to offer you a free copy of my LinkedIn profile optimization checklist. It's a simple step by step guide to ensure your profile is working as hard as you are to attract the right audience. You can download it at no cost by visiting my website, www.linkedvantage.com. Take this moment to invest in yourself and your goals. Start implementing small but impactful changes today, and I promise you'll see the results. Thank you again. And remember, LinkedIn isn't just a platform, it's a gateway to growth, success, and endless possibilities. Keep pushing forward. I'm cheering for you every step of the way.
I hope you enjoyed that episode and were able to take away a valuable nugget of information that you can implement right away in your own business. If you feel your story would be valuable for the listeners of this show, please visit frugal.show/guest. What if your business had a 24/7 sales and marketing team without the overhead? Here's why that matters. 78% of leads go with the first responder. The odds of qualifying a lead drop by 80% after 5 minutes. Only 27% of leads are contacted by a sales rep. 63% of companies take longer than an hour to respond to new inquiries. And 50% of sales go to the vendor that responds first. Businesses that use AI for lead response see a 67% increase in conversion rates. AI-powered chat increases sales by 30%, and companies using AI also reduce customer support costs by 30%. And automated follow-ups can boost lead engagement by 50% or more. And that's why I built an AI automation agency called LeadLoops.pro. LeadLoops texts new leads instantly, follows up after hours, reconnects old contacts, handles Google reviews, recovers abandoned carts, and even a voice bot that answers calls. Basically, it's a tiny army that never sleeps. You can learn more at LeadLoops.pro. The other thing I want to tell you about is I'm now offering a free marketing report at getafreemarketingreport.com. All you have to do is give me your business information, and I check your online presence and send a detailed report in a day or two showing what's working and what to improve. Again, that's at getafreemarketingreport.com.